Ever spend hours tweaking particle effects only to get something that still feels flat? That pain is over. Cartoon FX Remaster by Gene Moreno gives you jaw-dropping, stylized VFX that make any scene pop instantly. The standout feature is its sheer variety, over 100 prefabs covering explosions, magic spells, fire, water, and more. Each effect is optimized for performance and uses Unity's built-in particle system, so you can edit or layer them without a headache. Setup is laughably simple. Drag any prefab into your scene and it works. No shader setup, no material fiddling. The remastered versions look crisp in both URP and HDRP pipelines, so your project stays future-proof. With a perfect 5-star rating from nearly 800 reviews, the community calls it a no-brainer for adding that final polish. People say it transforms placeholder art into something you'd show a publisher. The only downside? Some effects are quite stylized. If your game uses realistic graphics, they might clash, but you can always tint or scale them down to blend in. $15 for over 100 handcrafted effects? That works out to about 12 cents per prop. Click that link and give your game the polish it deserves. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history. Deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store, all updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. If you have ever wanted to make complex game logic without writing C# but got lost in Node spaghetti, Playmaker is your rescue. It uses an intuitive, finite-state machine approach that designers and artists actually love. The real win is the FSM architecture. You create states like idle, attack, patrol, and connect them with events. It mirrors how you think about game flow. Plus, the ecosystem of custom actions from the community is enormous, so you rarely need to write a line of code. Setup takes about an hour to grasp the basics, and then you're prototyping faster than ever. It integrates with almost every popular asset store tool, from animated characters to inventory systems, giving you a unified brain for your game. Used in Hearthstone, Inside, and Hollow Knight, that alone says volumes. Over 600 reviews give it a solid 4.68, with users calling it a productivity multiplier for teams. Be honest, the tool shows its age. Newer Unity versions can throw compatibility warnings, and if your project gets messy, debugging the FSM graph can be tricky. Stick to well-organized projects and it's manageable. At $32.50, you skip weeks of scripting. That is a time-saved ROI that pays for itself on day one. Grab it before this price disappears. Trying to hand-code a camera that follows a player, zooms smoothly, and handles parallax is a rabbit hole of bugs. ProCamera 2D gives you all that in one clean component, ready to drop in. Its killer feature is the dynamic target system. You can have the camera follow multiple objects, look ahead of the player, and even smoothly transition between targets. Perfect for cutscenes or boss fights. Beyond that, you get built-in parallax scrolling, screen shakes, and a visual editor to preview your shots. No more guessing values. You see exactly how the camera will behave. With a perfect 5 stars from over 600 reviews, users rave about how it just works right out of the box. Many say it saved them days of tweaking. If you need ultra-specific custom behavior, like a rotation-based camera, this might feel too opinionated. But it's fully extensible via scripts, so you can always layer your own logic on top. $20 is dirt cheap compared to what freelancers charge for a single custom camera rig. That comparison alone makes this a no-brainer. We have all been there, staring at a script in the inspector, wishing you could edit variables in real time without recompiling. Script Inspector 3 turns that wish into reality. The big win: you can view and modify public and private fields at runtime, see callbacks, and even inject simple code snippets without leaving play mode. That means instant iteration on behaviors during testing. It also provides a full script editor inside the inspector, with syntax highlighting and undo support. You can quickly tweak values that are normally buried in code, a huge time saver for iterative design. Over 500 reviews and a perfect 5-star rating, people call it an indispensable debugging companion. New users say they wonder how they lived without it. It works best with C# scripts. Complex serialized references can sometimes appear oddly. A quick restart of the inspector panel usually clears that up. For $19.50, this is less than the late fee on your last parking ticket. Absurd anchoring, I know, but true. Treat yourself to smoother debugging. Making polished inspector interfaces usually means pages of boilerplate. Odin flips that. You decorate your fields with attributes and instantly get drop-downs, sliders, buttons, and validation. The attribute system is incredibly rich, from simple range and folder path to complex inline editor and button. You can build an entire tool window in minutes that would have taken hours of editor GUI work. Plus, the Serializer fixes Unity's missing dictionary and polymorphic serialization pain points. You can finally serialize a dictionary string, my class, without writing a custom wrapper. Rated 4.59 from 540 reviews, it's considered a must-have by serious developers. Many say it completely changed how they work and reduced UI bugs drastically. The licensing model is controversial. It requires a revenue share after a certain earning threshold. For indie projects under the cap, it's fine, but check the fine print before shipping a commercial hit. $27.50 is a steal when you consider that one client project using Odin pays it off 100 times over. Business ROI doesn't get easier than this. Building branching dialogue from scratch is a nightmare. State machines, localization, save files, and cutscene triggers. The dialogue system wraps all that into a single production-ready framework. Its visual node-based editor lets you design complex branching conversations with ease. You can attach conditions, quest updates, and even cutscene commands directly to dialogue nodes. No coding required. It also handles localization, save load, and quest tracking seamlessly. Used in games like Disco Elysium and Citizen Sleeper, it scales from tiny projects to massive RPGs. The developer provides legendary support via forums and Discord. Nearly 530 reviews with an average of 4.93. Users call it the best money spent on the asset store. The community is incredibly helpful. It is feature-heavy, so for a simple fairy tale with 2 characters, it might feel bloated. But you can disable modules you don't need, keeping your project lean. At $47.50, it's an emotional treat. You deserve a shortcut that lets you focus on writing, not wiring. Your narrative will thank you. Want IAP, leaderboards, cloud saves, and push notifications on iOS and Android without writing a single line of Swift or Java? Essential Kit gives you a unified, clean API for all of it. The standout is the comprehensive feature list, over 20 modules including in-app purchases, Game Center, Google Play, Cloud Save, web views, deep linking, and more. You only import what you need, keeping build size small. Setup is guided by detailed documentation and video tutorials, plus a Discord community where the developer often answers within hours. It saves you from the weeks it would take to build each bridge manually. With 4.61 stars from nearly 500 reviews, mobile devs call it a lifesaver and the only plugin you need for shipping. High praise from a tough crowd. Configuration must be followed to the letter. Missing a checkbox in Xcode or Android Manifest can cause silent build failures. But once set up, it just works. $48 for 20+ native integrations works out to about $240 per feature. That cost per unit math is unbeatable. Ship faster today. Building a character controller, combat system, inventory, AI, and vehicles from zero takes months. GameKit controller hands you all that and more, ready to customize. Its modular design is genius. You can enable only the modules you need: shooter, melee, vehicle, puzzle, even 2.5D support. Each module is deeply configurable via inspectors, so no digging into code to change behavior. The third-person and first-person controller feels polished out of the box, with full body awareness and smooth movement. Plus, the developer is incredibly responsive on Discord, often helping with custom setups remotely. Rated 4.89 from over 470 reviews, users say it saved their project and that support is the best in the store. The documentation sometimes lags behind the frequent updates, so you may need to explore a few demos to learn new features. But the YouTube tutorials help bridge the gap. $29.50 is a time-saved ROI that outpaces any other tool. Skip 40 hours of hand-building mechanics. That's a deal you cannot miss. Making a platformer that feels tight is deceptively hard. Slippery controls, bad collision, poor physics. Corgi Engine gives you a non-physics-based character controller that feels buttery smooth. It is incredibly modular. You can script your own character abilities, wall jump, dash, glide, etc., by inheriting from a base class. The engine handles movement, collision, and state management, so you focus on unique mechanics. The asset includes multiple full demo scenes showing run and gun, puzzle platformer, and even 2.5D camera setups. You can pick one as a starting point and remix it for your own game. Nearly 4.98 stars from 350 reviews. That is almost unheard of. Users call it the best investment for 2D platformer development and praise the developer's active support. Advanced melee combat or complex AI may not have dedicated video tutorials, so you will rely on the well-written documentation. But the code is clean and commented, making it easy to learn. At $37.50, freelancers charge 10 times that for a single custom character controller. This comparison alone makes the purchase ridiculously smart. $40 for a weekend project that could turn into your next hit. That emotional treat-yourself moment is real. Grab it now and build something fun. That is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com. Game Creator 2 gives you a clean drop-in workflow with practical defaults and fast setup. You get flexible hooks and solid day one polish, so your team can keep momentum instead of rebuilding basics. Buyers are rating it 4.83 across 349 reviews, which is a strong signal for this price point.